If you borrow £300 at 16% interest for 4 years, how much do you pay back? Well, before going through this, you might want to pause the video and try it yourself. Okay, let's make a start. How much do we pay back if we borrow £300 at 16% for 4 years? So the amount paid back is what you borrowed. How much did you borrow? Well, you borrowed £300. And it's always times 1 point something. Depending on what the interest rate is, the point something may be different, and also depending how many years it is. But it's always £300, the amount you borrowed, times 1 point something. Okay, 16%. Remember, the percentage sign looks like 100 jumbled up, so we could write that as 16 over 100. 16 divided by 100 is 0.16. So the point something we know is 0.16. Now we just need to think about the number of years. So it's 4 years, so we have 4 of these 1.16s, or if you've got a scientific calculator, you could key it into the power of 4. So just to summarise, the amount you paid back if you borrow £300 at 16% for 4 years, well, we use the compound interest formula to calculate the amount paid back. £300 is what you borrowed, and it's always going to be what you borrowed times 1 point something. In this case, the point something depends on the number of years, and the interest rate is a decimal. So £300 times 1 point something. In this case, the 16% is 16 over 100, which is 0.16. That's where that comes from. And because it's 4 years, there's 4 of them. If it's for 3 years, you would have 3 of them. If it's for 2 years, you would have 2 of them. So let's work that out. What does that work out on the calculator? £300 times 1.16 times 1.16 times 1.16 times 1.16 equals £543.19 is your final answer.